Hey, Kevin Lawrence here. Hope you're having a great day. Just in Phoenix, just about to board my plane back to Vancouver, and we've got a blog this week about self-taught pilots. And I'm really hoping that the pilots on our plane aren't that. I'm pretty sure they're not. But many entrepreneurs, become CEOs and build great organizations, and many are self-taught. And one entrepreneur I was speaking with a couple of weeks ago in Boulder was talking about how he feels like a self-taught pilot. And we talked about it. He's like, yeah, it's like I started out a little Cessna on sunny days, and then I got into bigger planes going faster, and turbulence and weather and nighttime and flying over the Atlantic or Pacific. And it becomes way more challenging. And that's why many CEOs are obsessive learners. That's why CEOs come and spend 2 days with Jim Collins in his lab and conferences and read books and hire expert consultants. So the idea of this, as we continue to grow CEOs or executives, anyone, is to go from self-taught to certified in what we do, just like they do in the airline industry. And unfortunately, for a lot of our roles, there's not courses, there's not programs, there's not real actual certifications of how to do most of our jobs as CEOs, presidents, business leaders. So the idea is, what certifications do you need to get? Do you need to get a certification in helicopters? Do you need a certification at night flying, or instrument rated pilot, which is a type of pilot, or who knows what? Maybe you want a certification in submarines. I don't know. But metaphorically, where do you need to continue to improve your skills from self-taught to professional, ideally Top Gun pilot? Food for thought. Have a great week.